Well, harassment, it's not harassment. It's something that everybody thinks to be still valid, that can turn out to be not valid anymore due to a secret decision. Dapat kasi, hindi naman na-publish yan, hindi yan nilabas, nobody knew about it. Kahit nasa Senate mismo, hindi nila alam yan. Even dito sa didn't know about it. Ngayon lang din na nilabas. So don't you call that a secret decision?
But sir, what about the people near the Ombudsman's office? Siyempre, alam din dapat nila yan, sir.
Exactly. Nobody was raising any issue about it before this.
Sir, may sabuatan bang nangyari kung naging secret po ito?
Hindi ko alam eh. Basta it's a very mysterious decision. Kasi nga, it's a public interest decision. He ran for public office, he was elected senator. So it's a very newsworthy thing. And it's something that is in the public interest.
Kailangan pa ba ng investigation internally, sir? Ito sa office
Now we're studying the decision. We're studying everything.
Sir, to be very clear, do we still send the letter or hindi na?
Hindi na. Kasi nga, nagbago na yung premises natin. Nagbago na.